Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Floating Stocks. I am Venkat, and in this session, I'm going to talk about Iron Butterfly Option Strategy. Okay, so the name of the strategy is Iron Butterfly Option Strategy. Okay, so let's start. All right, these are the contents for today's session. So I'm going to talk about what is Iron Butterfly and how to construct it. Okay, and which strikes, what are the strikes that you need to be choosing to implement Iron Butterfly, and I'll be talking about risk, reward, and also the break-even points, and also payoff chart. Okay, and I'll be talking about volatility, the effect of volatility and theta when you're dealing with Iron Butterfly option strategy. Okay, so and later I'll be talking about when to implement the strategy. Okay, when to implement Iron Butterfly strategy, and what should be the entry, exit, stop loss, and finally I'll be concluding the session with a few important points that you need to be keeping in the mind while dealing with Iron Butterfly option strategy. Okay, so what is Iron Butterfly option strategy? Pretty simple. Let me explain you about straddle first. Okay, so what is straddle? What is short straddle? Okay, so you guys already know what is short straddle. It's pretty simple. In short straddle, what we generally do, we sell at the money call option and at the money put option. Okay, so what is at the money? It's 15,000 here. 15,000. So I'm selling put call option and also put option. Okay. So this is straddle. Here, the risk is unlimited. Look at the red area. Look at the payoff chart. Here, the risk is unlimited, right? So to make it limited, we make Iron Butterfly. Okay. So this is straddle. So we make it Iron Butterfly to convert this maximum risk to minimum risk. Okay. I repeat, this is short straddle. Okay, so we need to construct Iron Butterfly on short straddle so that this maximum risk or the maximum loss will turn into a minimum loss. Okay, or a defined loss, or a what can I say, limited loss. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, see, after implementing straddle, look at the break evens 14,681 and 15,300. Okay, so let's consider this point 15,300, right? So I'll select 15,300 here, 15,300 call option. Okay. See, I'm selecting upper break even. Okay. So for upper break even, you need to select call option and you need to be buying that. Select buy. Okay. Add position. Okay. Now for lower break even, which is 14,734. Okay. Let's select 14,700. 14,700. Which this is our lower break even point. So let's select put here. For lower break even, select put. For upper break even, select buy. Sorry, select call. Okay. So we need to buy that. Add position. Now see, now your maximum loss has turned into minimum loss, which is only 6,400. Okay. Understood? It's very simple to implement. It's pretty simple. It's very easy to construct Iron Butterfly. Okay. Iron Butterfly strategy is nothing but it's an extension to short straddle. Okay. In short straddle, we sell at the money call option and at the money put option. For that, I have sold 15,000 CE and 15,000 PE. Okay. And to make it Butterfly, to make it, I mean, to construct Iron Butterfly, what did I do? I considered upper break even and I bought call. Okay. Then I selected lower break even. Then I bought put. Okay. So if you buy the break even points, call and put, then your unlimited loss will become limited loss here. See, even though market goes, I mean, even though market falls down to zero, you will be losing only 6,400, or even the market goes to 15,900 or 16,000 or some 16,500 also, then also you'll be losing only only 6,499, not more than that. Okay. So that's the specialty of this strategy. which is a very good strategy. Look at the risk reward ratio. You'll be losing only 6,000 rupees if your view goes wrong. But if your view goes right, look at the profit potential. It's 15,000. Okay. So that's the mystery, or that's the logic involved in the strategy. The risk reward ratio is very good and it's very simple to implement. Okay. And this strategy is an extension to short straddle option strategy. Okay. So don't worry, I'll be showing you how to implement it again after some time. Okay. So let's go through slides and form and the definition of iron butterfly option strategy. All right. So iron butterfly spread is a limited risk and limited profit. Let's get on to payoff what it is saying. See, our profit is limited and also loss is also limited. Okay. All right. That's what I have written there. So the iron butterfly spread is a limited risk and limited profit trading strategy that is constructed for a larger probability of earning a smaller limited profit. Okay, you will be getting small limited profit when you implement this strategy. Okay, so when underlying stock or index is expected to have low volatility. Okay, low volatility in the sense sideways market. Okay, so it can move this side or that side. Okay, it should be staying in the range only, in this range only. Okay, if it stays in that range, we'll get more money. And we can implement this strategy, iron butterfly strategy, if we are unclear about market direction. Okay, so implement the strategy if you are unclear whether the market goes up or down or sideways. Okay, and iron butterfly strategy can also be called as non-direction. Why non-direction? Because irrespective of market movement, irrespective of market direction, you'll be able to make money. See, if the market comes down, look at your profit and loss report, it's 4,100. Or if it goes up, look at your P&L report, it's 5,876. Okay, so irrespective of market movement, you'll be able to make money. So the strategy is called iron butterfly, and the specialty of the strategy is your risk and reward both are limited here. Okay, there is no unlimited risk and there is no unlimited reward, both are limited here, and it's very good to implement and sleep without any worries. Okay, so when the risk is unlimited, there will be some fear. Okay, so if you implement this strategy, there won't be any fear. Look at your risk reward, you'll be losing only 6,000 if your view goes wrong, and you'll be gaining 15,000, close to 16,000 if your view goes right. Okay, all right. Which strikes to choose? Just what I have shown you. You just need to sell at the money call option and at the money put option, which is nothing but our short straddle. Then later on, you need to be buying the upper break evens call option and you need to be buying lower break evens put option. That's it. Pretty simple. See, what we are doing, we are selling at the money put option and at the money call option, which is nothing but short straddle leg, short straddle leg. Okay, so hedging is nothing but the process that can be used to minimize your loss. Okay, so that is hedging. So here what we are doing, we are trying to convert the maximum loss into a minimum loss or limited loss. We are converting unlimited loss, unlimited risk to a limited risk, to a limited profit, sorry, to a limited loss. Okay, so we buy out of the money put and out of the money call, which is nothing but for upper break even buy call, for lower break even buy put. That's it. I'll show you again. Let me reset. So 15,000 is at the money because the spot price is 15,030. So 15,000 is at the money. So I'll implement straddle first. So for that, I'll be selling at the money put option and at the money call option. Okay, done. So look at my break evens, 14,700 and 15,300. Okay, so for upper break even, which is 15,300, 15,300 call, I'll buy. Okay, for lower break even, which is 14,700, 14,700, 14,700, I'll select put. For lower break even, select put. For upper break even, select call. Okay, then I'll be buying. See, this is Ironfly. This is how the payoff chart looks like. And look at your risk, which is limited. Even the market goes up to 20K or some 80K, then also your loss is limited. Even if the market goes down to 0 or 20 or 30, then also you'll be losing only 6,400. Okay. So and look at the profit potential. It's 15,000. If market moves in sideways and stays in that range, stays between these break evens. Okay. That's all about how to construct or which strikes to choose when you want to implement iron fly option strategy. Okay. So this strategy is an extension to short strategy. That's what I have shown. Short strategy is nothing but you need to be selling at the money call option and at the money put option. Okay. So while selecting OTM strikes, so I'm talking about these hedging legs. Okay. So while selecting OTM strikes, add premiums of shorted call and shorted put. So this is another way to select out of the money put and out of the money call to hedge or while buying. Okay. So it's simple. You need to be adding premiums of shorted call and shorted put, then divide it by 2. Okay. All right. I'll show you that also. Let me delete this. All right. Let me do from first. 15,000. I'll be selling put option and call option. So this is short straddle. Now add the premiums 148 plus 171. So it's close to 300, right? 300. Yeah, 170 plus 30 or 4. Okay, close to 300. So add 300 to 15,000. So it will be 15,300. Select a call option, buy. Now subtract 300. Subtracting 300 is 14,700. Select a put option, buy. That's it. It's the same. Okay. So that's how you need to be selecting the strikes. And what's risk reward? You already know it. Risk is limited and reward is limited. You can sleep peacefully after implementing the strategy without checking your charts, without being anxious, without fearing, and without hoping for any result. Okay. Because risk is limited and reward is also limited. Now, what is risk? Risk is limited in IM butterfly. Okay. And the maximum loss for the IM butterfly strategy is also limited. Yeah, that's what I have shown in payoff chart, and occurs when the stock price falls at or below the lower strikes of the put purchased or rise above or equal to higher strike of call purchased. Okay, see what is call purchased and put purchased: 15,300 and 15,000, 14,700. Okay, so our break evens will be close to them. Okay, so these are our break evens after implementing iron butterfly, iron fly. Okay, so mark this break evens on your chart and have a look at it when you are in when you are on a trade. Okay, you will be facing losses one if the market crosses this break even point. Okay, so the maximum loss will happen when market crosses 14,700 towards lower side and 15,300 towards upper side. See, this is 15,300, right? This point, this point is 15,300, and your maximum loss is after if the after market crossing 15,300. Okay, and towards lower side, if the market crosses, if the market falls below 14,700, then you will be facing maximum loss. Which this is 14,700 point, and yes, this is 14,700 point. And if the market falls below that, you will be facing maximum loss, which is limited only. Okay, so in either situations, maximum loss is equal to differences between. Okay, ignore this formula. Okay, just go with payoff chart. Okay, and what's risk? The formula for calculating maximum loss not necessary. Just understand it by having a look at payoff chart. Okay, and reward is also limited in the strategy, and maximum you will be getting maximum profits when the market is at this peak point. Okay, it is looking like a pyramid, right? So you'll be getting maximum profits if the market ends at the top of the pyramid. Okay, which is nothing but the point at which we have implemented straddle, which is nothing but 15,000. So market should be staying closer to 15,000 for us to gain more profits, to get maximum profit. Okay, and this is a formula to calculate the maximum reward. Okay, and break even points. Okay, You already know what are break-even points. We just get on to Opstra and implement the strategy, then have a look at break-evens here and mark them on our chart. Okay. So there are two break-even points, upper break-even, lower break-even. Okay. Not necessary in remembering the formulas. Just make use of that website. And payoff chart. You already know how the payoff chart looks like. Okay. See here what I have done here. I have sold at the money call option and at the money put option, which is 15,000, 15,000. Then I have selected, I have bought 15,150 call and 14,850 put. You can also do that. Okay. So what I have done there, I have implemented short straddle. For that, I have sold at the money put option and at the money call option. Then I have added these two, which is 300, 170 plus 1 close to 300 divided by 2, okay, which is 150. So add 150 to this one, which is 15,150 call option buy. Okay. And subtract 150 from 15,000, which is 14,850. Select put option buy. That's it. This is how you're okay to minimize. I mean, for if you cannot afford more money to lose, then you can implement. See, your risk is even less here. And your reward is also very less here. In our previous, I mean, when I bought 15,300 here and 14,700, my reward was 15,000 and my range was broad. Here the range is very small and my loss is also very small. Okay. So depending upon your risk and depending upon how much money you want to make and depending upon market, select these strikes for hedging. Okay. So you can add these two and divide it by 2, then add the result to 15,000 and buy that call and subtract the result from 15,000 and buy that put. Okay. So if you come closer, your range will be very small and there is high probability that you will be in loss only, but which is very less. Okay. So always try to broaden. Okay. Always try to have a great width here. Okay. Always try to have a broad range, not a small range. Always try to have a wide range instead of a narrow range. Okay. For that, instead of selecting 15,150, select 15,300 and 14,700 here for hedging. Okay. And this is how the payoff chart looks like and effect of volatility. So lower the volatility, nothing but sideways market, nothing but market will be staying in this range only. Okay, let me edit it. 15,300. 15,300 modify 14,700. 14,700 modify. Okay, so look at the range. We need market to be staying in this range only for us to be in profits. Okay, for that we need less volatile market, sideways market. Okay, so Iron Butterfly needs sideways market and Iron Butterfly needs market to stay in a range. Okay, so for that we need less volatile market. Okay, effect of theta. See, effect of theta will be similar to effect of theta in short straddle. Okay, theta will have positive impact there and here as well theta will have positive impact. Okay, so theta decay or time decay has positive impact on Iron Butterfly because this strategy is an extension to short straddle. Okay, so all the parameters will be similar to short straddle in Iron Butterfly as well. Okay, so all the parameters will be similar for both short straddle and Iron Butterfly. Okay, so theta decay happens faster when it is closer to expiry and theta decay or time decay will have positive impact on Iron Butterfly option strategy because we want market to stay in that range and we are implementing short straddle first and then making it Iron Butterfly to convert maximum loss to minimum loss. That means to convert unlimited risk to limited risk. Okay. And when to implement Iron Butterfly? Simple. The rules are very same. I mean, the rules are similar to short straddle. Okay. Iron Butterfly can be implemented on every day. You can implement it on every day. And it gives amazing results on Wednesday and Thursday. And it gives good results on Monday and Tuesday. Okay. Backtest it on every day and just gain experience. Okay, implement it on every day and you'll be seeing good results. I mean, you'll see amazing results on Wednesday and Thursday and promisable good results on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, so anyway, your risk is limited, so do not worry or do not fear to put your capital into the market, because the risk is limited and the reward is also limited. So you can implement it right away and gain some experience and gain some confidence. Okay, so I would suggest you all to implement it with one lot. Okay, and entry, exit, and stop loss. Simple, the rules are same. Entry should be around 10 a.m. and before entry you need to be considering wicks. Wicks should be less than 23 or 24, because we need sideway market, because we need market to be staying in that range, in this range. Okay, okay, so we need less volatile market for that, and we need sideway market to achieve good results using this strategy. And we can implement iron butterfly on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, you can implement it on every day and it gives good results on Wednesday and Thursday on expiry day, because this strategy is an extension of short straddle, and short straddle is nothing but I mean, short. What is short? Short is nothing but selling. Selling is nothing but we want premiums to come down. So on expiry day, theta will be more powerful, and theta will help us to bring the premiums down. So strategy works good. Strategy gives better results on expiry day, which is on Thursday. Okay, and yeah, always try to implement it on Nifty index first and then move on to Bank Nifty. And yeah, it's good to implement the strategy on Nifty on Monday and Tuesday, and if it is Wednesday and Thursday, implement the strategy on Bank Nifty index. Okay, and exit should be at 1 p.m. or 1:15 p.m. You already know the reason. Okay, so market will be more volatile after 1 p.m. and for iron butterfly we need less volatile market, so we exit at 1 p.m. or 1:15, no matter what. Okay, and iron butterfly is no stop loss strategy. Okay, because the loss is limited. Why do you put stop loss here? Okay, see, look at the payoff chart. The loss is limited, right? We'll be losing only 6,499. Against it, we'll be gaining around 13,000, 14,000, or some 12,000 if the market stays at the top of that pyramid according to our analysis. Okay, so the risk reward ratio is pretty good, and you just need to implement the strategy at 10 a.m. and exit from the strategy around 1 or 1:15 p.m. because we need less volatile market, because we need sideway market, because we need market to be staying in this range only to for us to be in profits. Okay, so even if the market breaks the boundaries and come out of it, don't worry, because we have already limited risk here. We have converted unlimited risk to limited risk here. Okay, so don't worry about your money because the risk is limited here. So positions become hedged here after buying OTM call and OTM put. Okay, so we do not worry about our positions anyway. The risk is limited and the reward is also limited. Okay, and important points that you need to be keeping in the mind while dealing with iron butterfly option strategy. First thing, which strikes to choose? Very simple. Just sell at the money call option and at the money put option. Okay, I'll show you again for the final time. Okay, simple. Okay, for a change, let's select Bank Nifty. Okay, all right, let me refresh. Bank Nifty options, 18th March. What is at the money? It is 35,496. So 35,000 is at the money strike. 35,000. 35,000 is at the money strike. Okay, so I'm gonna sell call option and I'm selling put option as well. Okay, so this is short straddle. Okay, so now I'm constructing iron butterfly, which is nothing but it's an extension to short straddle. Okay, so to convert this unlimited risk to a limited risk, I repeat, to convert this maximum loss to a minimum loss, or to convert this unlimited risk into a limited risk, I'm going to make it as iron fly or iron butterfly. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Just consider upper break even and lower break even. Okay, so lower break even is 34,000, close to 34,000. Okay, so upper break even is 36,000. So 34 and 36. Upper break even is 36, right? So I'm going to select 36,000. 36,000 upper break even. For upper break even, we need to select call and buy that. Done. Lower break even is 34,000. 34,000. Okay, see 34,100. Okay, 34,100. And for lower break even, I need to select put and select buy, then click on add position. That's it. This is how your payoff diagram looks like. Okay, this is an iron fly, and look at the break evens and look at the maximum loss and maximum, I mean the risk reward, the maximum profit and the maximum loss. Okay, you're gonna lose only 4,900 if it is falling towards downward, and you're gonna lose only 7,400 if it is moving towards upward. Okay, if it stays in this range, then look at your profit potential. It's 17,575. The risk reward ratio is very good here. Okay, so that's how you need to implement this strategy. And IM Butterfly needs less volatile market. You already know this. Theta will have positive impact, and always have a look at payoff chart. Okay. And Butterfly needs sideways market, as most of the times market moves sideways. So Iron Butterfly is one of those best strategies. Okay. You can backtest it. You can implement it on every day, and keep a journal. Okay. Write down all your results on every day. You'll gain more confidence. Okay. And market generally moves sideways from 10 to 1, so we need to take advantage of that. So implement the strategy at 10 a.m. and exit from it around 1 or 1:15 p.m. Okay, so if it is close to expiry, that means on Wednesday and Thursday, Theta will earn you all your profits when we are in IM Butterfly option strategy. Okay, and here are some pro tips, which is nothing but do not forget to put stop loss. Not necessary. That point is not necessary, because this strategy is no stop loss strategy, because our positions are hedged here. Okay, we bought out of the money call option and we bought out of the money put option by looking at upper break even and lower break even. Okay, so positions are hedged here, and we have converted maximum loss into a minimum loss. We have converted unlimited risk to a limited risk, so we do not put stop loss here. Okay, and always have a look at payoff charts. Okay, all right. So if you guys have any questions, and if you're unclear with any things, call me up anytime, or please message us at any time. Okay, we'll be very happy to answer all your questions. And please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. Happy trading.